Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a handy feature. It's all about how to use autocorrect option in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Autocorrect is like having a spelling and grammar guardian right in Microsoft Word. It helps fix your mistakes on the fly. To use it, go to File and then click Options and click on Proofing. You'll find autocorrect there. Click it. Now let's say you often type te instead of the. So TEH instead of THE. With autocorrect, you can set it up so that whenever you type TEH, Microsoft Word automatically changes it to THE, which is the. It's like having your own personal editor. So you put it here, all the TEH to THE. So it's already saved here on my Microsoft Word. So after that, you have to click the replace button and then autocorrect will fix that for you. So you can also add your own corrections. Let's say you often type OMW instead of on my way. Autocorrect can fix that. Just enter OMW in the replace box and on my way in the with box. And that's it. You now know how to use the autocorrect option in Microsoft Word. It's like having a helpful friend that watches over your writing. Thanks for joining me in this quick and valuable tutorial. I hope you're feeling more confident in using autocorrect to enhance your writing and save time in Microsoft Word. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use autocorrect option in Microsoft Word. See you in my next video.